This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 8:23 to 8:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Atoms fall apart. Solar flares arrive. Buildings collapse. Only a few will survive. The world as we know it will no longer be there. Water is gone. A new era has begun. Prepare yourself for the apocalypse. The apocalypse.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for the city of Oklahoma City and the entire state of Oklahoma. All residents in the city of Oklahoma City, lock all doors now. It was now been that the month that attacked United States from a year ago have returned, which includes September 2025. But Theans are withered and beaten up. It was been confirmed that the new month in the real world are now alive and helping the withered month attacked the city of Oklahoma City. Those month include September 2025. They were seen RO attack the neighborhood of Oklahoma City. This is a very dangerous situation and should not be approached. If possible, there might be another creature that will help September 2025, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents are advised to lock all of your doors and windows at all time. Barricade any entrance at all time. This also includes vents. The September 2025 can also use the vents too. If you see September 2025 anywhere your area, call 911 immediately. If September 2025 breaks into your home, do not look at the September 2025. Instead, you should hide in the basement. Stay safe and stay on. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. This is a civil danger warning. that has been issued for the city of Oklahoma City and the entire state of Oklahoma. At approximately 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the September 2025 were seen breaking into people's homes in the neighborhood. They were seen killing their victims and stuffing them into a random month suit. Withered September 2025 was seen stabbing his guitar through the people's mouth. Withered June was seen ripping off people's hands, legs, and their head off, even their organs. Withered March was seen stabbing and slicing people with his sharp hook and stabbed through their brains. Withered April was seen biting the people in half. In some cases, he rips off the whole body. February was seen carrying cars and terawanging them at the house until it collapsed to the ground. July was seen collecting knives and stabbing them to his victims. August was seen hiding in people's closets. When they tried to hide in their closets, August will have the opportunity to kill them. June was seen on top of the car. She hits the which makes the car explode. April was seen on people's houses. He doesn't kill them, but he can laugh so loud that he is signaling the monthly to attack them. Withered July was seen teleporting into people's houses. When he turns off the lights, nothing happens. But when the lights are back on, the residents' bodies was seen hanging on the ceiling with bint marks all over their body. Another report come that residents can hear a sounds playing in their house. This is a really dangerous situation, and it is impossible to deal with. All residents are strongly advised to turn off all lights in your house at all times. However, staying in a dark house with no lights will not stop the monthly. If you see the monthly anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately if you hear the whistle monthly or the sounds. Don't make any noise or sounds. Turn off all electronics at all time. Stay calm and do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. At approximately 3:20 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a mysterious sounds was reported to be appearing in residents' house. People are claiming that the sounds is playing the sounds by itself with no one turning the handle. When it stops, the black creature appears that resembles a whistle video and then it kills you. The description and background about this creature was found by resident. The creatures is called Flowers. Flowers is 6.8 foot tall with tall arms and tall legs. It also has 3 wide button and can hide anywhere. From what we know about Flowers, a man named Flush was killed a long time ago at house family dinner and now her soul possessed Flowers. This is a very dangerous situation and should not be approached. The monthly are still breaking into people's homes during this time. Another report say that if the monthly still destroying the state of Oklahoma the United States will fall again. Right now, it's now 3:21 a.m., so it is still not safe during this time. All residents are strongly advised to stay in your homes at all time. Close all windows and doors and keep them locked during this time. If you hear the whistle in your ear, cover your ears. This is a signal that the souls are guiding you to the monthly. If you hear the sounds of the whistle in your house, try your best to get out from the house. If one of the monthly breaks into your home, must do everything you can to defend yourself. Local authorities will go to houses and deliver the masks to wear if the monthly are in your house. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. following message is transmitted by the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the city of Oklahoma City and the entire states of United States. At approximately 4:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the monthly are now being aggressive. The text turned red, meaningle that the monthly will cross the entire states of the United States. The monthly were seen leaving people's houses with blood all over their body. Residents who got killed by the monthly were either got stuffed into a month or their bodies in the floor. Flowers was also seen playing with the bodies and can even imitate people's voices. There was another report that they saw a weird individual who was last seen leaving the original state of Oklahoma that was taken down from a year ago. There wasn't any information on this individual, but residents did say that they had dark shadow text costume. It is unknown if this individual is connected with the monthly and the flowers, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents are strongly advised to seek shelter in place at all time. If no shelter is available, if possible, gather the necessary supplies to leave the state of Oklahoma, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. If you hear the whistle, cover your ears with some good headphones. If you see any of the monthly anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If one of the monthly breaks into your home, try your best to get out of the house and run as fast as possible. If one of the monthly are in front of you, put on the mask or anything that will cover your face. Stay safe, remain calm, and do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse. Police officers will try and stop the monthly for killing people in the city of Oklahoma City. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
Please stand by.
Transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I hate to inform you, but unfortunately the United States was fall again. The unidentified creatures within text has now been identified as May 2025. May 2025 is now joining the monthly and now going on a killing spree. He has over 220,000 people and injured 8,688 people. The monthly were also seen destroying the entire states of the United States. Reports say that withered February can see through the mask. The only solution to stop the withered February to use a flashlight at him. Flowers was also seen ripping off organs from residents. This is a very dangerous life or death situation and should not be approached. All residents are strongly advised to try and evacuate the United States. Gather your friends and family to your unknown shelter. The police was failed to defeating the monthly. The monthly are strong to defeat. Stay safe. Remain calm. Do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse. If you hear the whistle in your ear, cover your ears. We'll now sign off with the final broadcast. Stay tuned for the final message in the emergency alert system. Goodbye, everyone. We hope we will see each other in heaven. God bless America.